My name is Kristen Lyons, and my designer was Karl Lagerfeld. Karl was a designer for ready to wear clothing and also couture lines. He created his own line and label that was called Karl Lagerfeld in 1984. He ended up selling this line of clothing that he created to Tommy Hilfiger in 2005. Karl was also a photographer and a filmmaker. He actually was the creative director to most of all of Chanel's advertising. Carl was born in September 1933. He was born on the 10th of September. He died in February 19th of 2019 from complications of pancreatic cancer. He didn't have any kids and he wasn't married. Um, in 1958, he moved to Rome and eventually began freelancing for Charles Jordan, Chloe, Crizia, and Valentino. In 1967, he was then hired by Fendi to modernize their fur line. He used mole, rabbits, and squirrel, and all of these were furs that they didn't use in high fashion, but he brought them into the high fashion world. In 1982 to 2000, he was hired by Chanel, which was in that time considered a dying company. He was hired to kind of like bring it back to life, and he actually did. He brought it back to life by revamping all of the ready to wear fashion. From 2001 to 2019, he collaborated with Renzo Rosso to create denim clothing. After he did that with the denim clothing, he actually then led into other forms of clothing with him. He's most known for bringing Chanel back to life. Like that was his main thing. Like Chanel was a dying company after Coco Chanel died, and he was brought in to kind of like revive the whole place, and he did. Like we still see all of that today. Some characteristics of work that we can still see today in like our modern world, some major contributions are the interlocking C's from the label of Chanel. The Chanel logo, the block lettering was something that he did. One of the necklaces that he created for Chanel, it was a double layer pearl necklace. That was something that he was known for. He also created a purse made out of two hula hoops. He put the hula hoops beside each other, and it was just a huge purse. And then he created the iconic pink ruffle gown. He also created a gala suit in 2007 that was worn by Cara Delevingne, and he was also known for the Fendi baguette. So Carl actually worked for Fendi some too. He did a couple different things with them on the aspects of ready to wear couture. Um, he was all around. He did a lot of things, and he was very creative in his life, and still today we are able to purchase items that he created or had a ideal in creating.